Hello everybody, welcome to my Creation Nook. I'm Linda and today what do I have for you? Day number 23. Oh, what colour do you think it is today, guys? Let's see, shall we? Oh, it's a snowflake and a little green bag. So let's have a look, shall we? Let's have a look. I hope you're all doing well. Got a busy day today. Oh, nice. This looks nice. Oh, look at that, guys. Lots of whites and blues and greens. And it goes really nice with this one here. Can you see? Really nice. So this was yesterday's and this is today's. And there's stellina in all of them. So, I've got a busy day today, as I was saying. It's day before Christmas Eve, and I've been and got weighed, and I've lost a pound. So I'm still in my target zone. I'm still, you know, within my target zone. So I'm really, really pleased. Must have been all the stress of worrying over Rick while he had his operation and whatever. So yeah, guys, so that is the 23rd. We've only got one more day left and then it's Christmas. How many sleeps? 2 more sleeps, guys. I wonder what Father Christmas is going to bring me. I always give Rick a list and then I forget about it because I think it just makes Christmas Day even more nice, doesn't it? So I'm going to love you and leave you for today. Take care, everyone. Stay safe and I'll see you tomorrow, Christmas Eve.